Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So it's 2026 and I'm thinking about what I want to do as my next model. And I know I talked about that midnight special, but after the Vincent, which was just a ton of work, I need a palette cleanser from motorcycles. So went out on YouTube and I'm like, what group builds are going on right now? And I came across the Lucas C NASCAR group build, and I have never built a NASCAR car before. And so this is my NASCAR stash, which you may also notice is all Monte Carlos. My first car was a Monte Carlo, and I had purchased this. That down there is a Salvino's kit. A 74 Monte Carlo, which I bought to kit bash to make my Monte Carlo, my 73, but ended up getting some stuff, so it's all in there. But that doesn't fit the bill because it has to be from 80 to 81, or I'm sorry, it has to be from 81 to 91. I have two other NASCARs here, which are a Thunderbird, I think, and a Pontiac. But yeah, all those up there are Monte Carlos. And I think the only one I have that fits the bill is this one here. So let's take that out and take a look at that. All right, let's get into this. And yeah, it's Darrell Waltrip's Tide Monte Carlo stock car. And I understand that he won the 89 Daytona 500, maybe, with this. And so I actually was watching a couple of videos on his car, and I noticed the decals in the back here weren't exactly the same. So I may get some aftermarket decals to try to replicate that one, but let's see what's inside here. All right, so, oh, that's not good right off the bat. Oh, man. It's like, it almost looks like someone touched it with some glue, but you saw it was a sealed kit. That's a bummer. Then we've got tires. All right. And again, I've never built a NASCAR before, so I'm kind of looking forward to this. So it looks like we have a chrome sprue. Looks like a radiator, wheels, engine parts, decal sheet. Hopefully those are in pretty decent shape. We'll see. So there's the body. A little bit crooked. All right. And the chassis. Yeah, roll bar. Cool. Here's the engine. Looks like exhausts, dashboard, steering wheel, seat, hood. And then let's take a look at the instructions here. The Chevy Monte Carlo stock car is one of the most competitive race cars ever. Closely resembling its street counterpart, the Monte Carlo is popular with the fans. Darrell Waltrip is one of the most competitive race car drivers ever. In almost every race, Waltrip is in a position to challenge for the lead. The spectacular orange, yellow, and white Tide Monte Carlo are sure to be a force to be watched from now on. Your monogram kit is a detailed replica of this 200+ mile-an-hour machine. From the miniature V8 racing engine to the intricate chassis and roll cage, it's all there. Yeah, so copyright 1987. And yeah, my understanding is this is the 87 car, and he rode this car from 87 to 89. Pretty straightforward instructions, and then there's the decal guide. Available race car kits: Motorcraft Thunderbird, Petty Grand Prix, Coors Thunderbird, Folgers Monte Carlo. All right, so again, this will be my first NASCAR, so I'm looking forward to that. And yeah, so this will be for the 2026 Lucas C NASCAR group build. And again, the rules are it has to be of the model, which I guess has the shorter wheelbase, 110-inch wheelbase, where they, in the 80s, they shrunk the cars down. So it has to be from 81 to 91, I believe. So that fits the bill. So that's what I'm going to build. So hope you'll come back for that. As always, thanks for watching and happy modeling.